Welcome to my brand new channel, Tanglemire Gardens. My name is Nicola and I live here on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. My channel is going to be about two things, gardens and ponds. When it comes to gardens, this is one of them, and our garden backs onto a park. It's subtropical and there's an awful lot of projects here that need to be finished. I'm a terror for starting things and just not finishing them. There's also the fact that nature has come along and done some damage, in the fact that I've not been able to be in this garden for about a year and a half, and so some of the trees and vines have taken over, and one particular tree actually started to take out the back fence and also crushed my potting shed. So the tree is no more, regrettably, but the potting shed needs to be dismantled. I started some Gabions out the front because we are on a slopey block out the front there, and I've done one piece but I haven't finished the second, so that's another project. I have two sets of stairs that have to be fixed. One's completely dismantled itself, and there's lots of other, general maintenance things. There's a rose bush that has to be pruned, and which is huge. But I have lots and lots of other things I wish to do here too. So when it comes to my mum's place, now it's acreage and it backs onto a motorway and it has a watercourse going through it. And you can come out sometimes and find the whole place flooded. Luckily mum lives on a hill. Other times you'll come out, no water at all. But we have a creek, and it's this little bunny's job to go splashing in the mud and clean it out every few years. And so I thought you might find that an interesting exercise as well. Be warned, I cannot keep myself clean, no matter how hard I try. So there's lots of other things we want to do with mum's place because she's getting older, and what we're trying to do is eliminate the amount of work that has to be done on that place for everybody concerned. Now when it comes to ponds, the reason why I'm going to do ponds is that my mum and I have been in the waterlily industry for about 35 years, and we used to have a waterlily nursery with waterlilies, of course, and marginal plants, which is sort of like our forte. And there's a lot of information that we both have, and we just thought you might be interested in knowing about plants and ponds and how I deal with ponds. All right. So anyway, we would like to explain all that, see if perhaps some of the pond plants can be used in other ways other than just simply in a pond. So I'm hoping that you might join me later in the future and come and see what it is I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing these jobs whether I show them to you or not, so you might as well come along and have a look. All right, so just one other thing. My life doesn't cater for putting up videos every week. It just doesn't, not anymore. And so therefore, if you are interested in knowing what it is we're going to be doing, then can you just subscribe and then press the little bell that says all, and you'll be notified as to when it is that I'm going to put up a video. I have a lot of things to show you, and I'm hoping that you will learn something and that I will learn something. I'm sure I will. Anyway, thank you very much for listening to my ramblings, and I hope to catch up with you soon. Bye. Is a stream, a creek. I'm getting wet. I'm ducked out here to do this in the middle of a rainstorm, so I'm just hoping I don't get wet. And a bird landed in the tree, and now I've just got wet. Anyway. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the creek. That's right, the creek. Now,